Who is Epstein and what is his crime? After Google his all files and case, I didn't find HH name even a single time. All are hoax. Lied by China government agent and their supporters. To defame HH. Let's know well about this Epstein first. Jeffrey Edward Epstein, A. 20th January 1953, 10th August 2019, was an American financier, child sex offender, serial rapist, and human trafficker. He began his professional career as a teacher, being hired without a degree by Donald Barr at the Dalton School. After his dismissal from the school in 1976, he entered the banking and finance sector, working at Bear Stearns in various roles. Before starting his own firm, Epstein cultivated an elite social circle and procured at least 1,000 underage girls, teens, and young women who were subjected to repeated rape and sexual violence by him and his associates. Epstein made much of his fortune by providing tax and estate services to billionaires. Jeffrey Epstein, mug shot of Epstein, 2006, born Jeffrey Edward Epstein, 20th January 1953, New York City, US, died 10th August 2019, aged 1966, Metropolitan Correctional Center, New York City, US. Cause of death: suicide by hanging. Resting place: Star of David Cemetery, Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, US. Other names: Marius Robert Fortelny, 4. Education: Cooper Union, dropped out. New York University, dropped out. Occupations: financier, broker, educator. Employers: Dalton School, Bear Stearns, Intercontinental Assets Group, Towers Financial Corporation, J. Epstein and Company. Relatives: Mark Epstein, brother. Criminal charge: procuring a child for prostitution, sex trafficking. Penalty: 13 months imprisonment, 2008. Accomplice: Ghislaine Maxwell. Details: victims: 1000 plus. Signature: in 2005, police in Palm Beach, Florida began investigating Epstein after a parent reported that he had sexually abused her 14-year-old daughter. Federal officials identified 36 girls, some as young as 14 years old, whom Epstein had allegedly sexually abused. Epstein pleaded guilty and was convicted in 2008 by a Florida state court of procuring a child for prostitution and of soliciting a prostitute. He was convicted of only these two crimes as part of a plea deal agreed by the U.S. Department of Justice's Alexander Acosta, and he served almost 13 months in custody but with extensive work release. Epstein was arrested again on 6 July 2019 on federal charges for the sex trafficking of minors in Florida and New York. He died in his jail cell on August 10, 2019. Barbara Sampson, the New York City medical examiner, ruled that his death was a suicide by hanging. Forensic pathologist Michael Budden has disputed the ruling, and there has been significant public skepticism about the true cause of his death, resulting in conspiracy theories. In July 2025, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, released closed-circuit television, CCTV, footage to support the conclusion that Epstein died by suicide in his jail cell. When the Department of Justice released the footage, approximately 2 minutes and 53 seconds of it was missing, and the video was found to have been modified despite the FBI's claim that it was raw. Since Epstein's death precluded the possibility of pursuing criminal charges against him, a judge dismissed all criminal charges on 29 August 2019. Epstein had a decades-long association with Ghislaine Maxwell, who recruited young girls for him, leading to her 2021 conviction on U.S. federal charges of sex trafficking and conspiracy for helping him procure girls, including a 14-year-old, for child sexual abuse and prostitution. Epstein cultivated a vast social circle of high-profile individuals that included businesspeople, royalty, politicians, and academics, and his friendships with public figures including Donald Trump, Andrew Mountbatten Windsor, Bill Clinton, Peter Mandelson, and others have attracted significant controversy. The Epstein files released as part of the Epstein Files Transparency Act showed that he maintained connections with many notable figures,